All right, we're at a Wild Dudes project. We've got 7 buildings here that we're taking off the stucco and replacing some of the windows. The stucco, when we take that off, we all have to replace any of the rotten sheathing and the rotten studs and headers, and then we'll go back with the moisture barrier paint, come back with flashing around all the windows, any kind of stainless steel flashing that we've got to put around all the windows. Then we come back with a felt, and the felt we chose this time is just a 1-layer felt, so it's double the thickness. And then the stucco guys will come in and they'll put their mesh up and they'll start stuccoing, be the same thing as the other project where it will be 3 coats on there to get to the final. We go inside every condo right before they decide to take out the window or do anything structural to it, so that we can take pictures and make sure that nothing's wrong or we don't mess up anything.